So database, we can store into the database. So for example, in company sales, and in the college marks, attendance, and in villages, so survey some corona patients. These are also the data, but this information we can enter into the database. We can enter into the database. So but this database, some applications are there. Application means many, some banking system, it will use database will use. So means, for example, so applications, what is that? Applications, for example, university. What is that? University use the database. It is large database or small databases. And second one, e-commerce. Nowadays, e-commerce, what is that? E-commerce. Third one is university, e-commerce. Next, main important, banking also. It is the banking. So banking uses the big database. For example database, for example IBM. Okay, IBM always uses the DBMS software. Always use the DBMS software, IBM. Okay, next, university, e-commerce, banking. These are the applications. More than other applications are there, etc. Only banking, etc. So next main topic. Our main topic is DBMS. So main topic is DBMS, database management system. So the DBMS is a collection of programs or software that manages database structure. DBMS manages the database structure and controls, access the data to store amount of data into the database. So you can see, so database, DBMS is a collection of, so I am writing collection of, what is that? Is a collection of programs or software. So simply saying DBMS is a software. What is that? Simply saying DBMS is a software, but it can do, it will be done, it can do manages. What is that? Manages database structure. What is that? It manages the database structure. It manages the database structure. So database structure. So already I am saying database. What is database? Database is shared integrated and collection of data. Which collection of data? From the end user data. So from end user data, we can use access the end user data. So manage the database structure and controls. What is that? And controls access the data to be stored in database. So database లో స్టోర్ అయిన డేటాని కంట్రోల్ చేసి యాక్సెస్ చేస్తుంది. ఇది డేటాబేస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సిస్టమ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్. మీన్స్ ఏ DBMS software manages the database structure. Simply saying DBMS manages the database structure. Okay, so next DBMS simply form saying, so DBMS is a software, and it refers to definition, creation and manipulation. Creation and manipulation of data. What it can be done? So the software means database system software, definition, creation and manipulate the data. So simply saying, the DBMS software is a software. For example, MySQL is the software, DBMS software. Oracle also software. Sybase, MS Access and IBM DB2, etc. These are the DBM software. These softwares are done only manages the database. When we enter the data in the database, the data will be manages. What is the software? Database management system. So for example, you can see diagram. You can see. So this border is DBMS software. This border is DBMS software, and in this DBMS software have data. It will include the data. And the data. It is in the database. Where it is? In the database. This is the database. And this is the DBMS software. This is the database. So in the database, include the data. Large amount of data. That is the mass storage of data. But in this database, how we can enter into the data into the database? Means so some using the application programs. We can use some using application programs like C, C++, Java, right? C++ and Java. These are the application programs, and these are the end users. So the end users are how to access the data from the database. So the end users are accessed the data using the DBMS software, and application programs using of DBMS software and application programs combined. Application programs, when we are using the DBMS software application programs, the end users are access the data from the database. So finally I am saying, when we combine the database software and application programs, the database data will be accessed. So end users means the person who actually uses a product. The person means the person who actually uses some product. So nothing but product, nothing but end users, some data. We can use also data. So simply saying using the DBMS software and application programs, we can access the data from the database. We can access the data from the database. Is nothing but the database, the management system software. Database management system software. So thank you very much.